In the vast realm of mysticism and consciousness exploration, the teachings of Carlos Castaneda have left an indelible mark. Among his many profound concepts, the Assemblage Point stands out as a cornerstone of his philosophy, a concept that beckons us to explore the very essence of our existence and perception. In this video, we shall embark on a transformative journey, delving deep into the intriguing enigma of the Assemblage Point, its profound significance, and how you can apply it to your own life. Carlos Castaneda, a renowned author and anthropologist, introduced the world to the Assemblage Point through the transformative experiences of his mentor, Don Juan Matus. This concept is central to understanding our perception of reality, our identity, and our ability to shape our own experiences. To comprehend the Assemblage Point, we must first consider its profound definition. Castaneda describes it as an energetic focal point within our luminous energy field. This focal point serves as the epicenter of our perception, influencing how we perceive the world around us. Imagine the Assemblage Point as a radiant, floating orb within your body, typically located just above the chest. However, it's not static. It can shift, and its position has a profound impact on your perception, your consciousness, and the very fabric of your reality. Carlos Castaneda beautifully encapsulated this concept with his words. The Assemblage Point is the anchor of man's awareness. It is your point of view, the lens through which you perceive the world. Shifting this point can open up new dimensions of perception and unlock hidden realms of consciousness. So, how can you apply this extraordinary concept to your own life, and what transformative effects can you anticipate? Meditation. Through the practice of meditation, you can become profoundly aware of your Assemblage Point and its current position. Meditation offers a gateway to your inner self, where you can visualize this floating orb and experiment with gently moving it to different positions within your luminous energy field. This practice has the potential to reveal new perspectives and offer insights into your own consciousness. Breathing exercises. Simple yet powerful, conscious breathing exercises like pranayama in yoga can play a pivotal role in shifting your Assemblage Point. The act of intentional, deep breaths can alter your energy, create a sense of balance, and transform your perception of the world around you. Carlos Castaneda underscored the significance of this practice, stating, "To shift the Assemblage Point is truly a feat of warriorship." It implies that by mastering this practice, you can reclaim control over your perception, steering it in the direction of your choosing. Mindfulness. Engaging in mindfulness techniques empowers you to observe your thoughts and emotions. By understanding how your Assemblage Point influences your perspective, you can gain greater control over your emotional responses and cultivate a deeper sense of self-awareness. Yoga. The holistic discipline of yoga, combining physical postures and spiritual practices, encourages a balance between body and mind. Through various yoga postures and specific breathing techniques, you can stimulate a harmonious and centered alignment of your Assemblage Point. In the profound words of Carlos Castaneda, by shifting the Assemblage Point, one can access hidden realms of reality. This implies that as you explore and shift your Assemblage Point, you may unlock new dimensions of your own consciousness, unveiling the hidden mysteries of existence. The Assemblage Point isn't just an abstract metaphysical concept, it is a practical and profound tool for personal growth, self-discovery, and transformation. Whether you find solace in meditation, empowerment in conscious breathing exercises, self-awareness through mindfulness, or balance through yoga, these practices provide practical pathways to shift and expand your Assemblage Point. They offer the opportunity to gain a broader and more profound understanding of your existence and the universe itself. As you embark on your personal journey of self-discovery, Remember the timeless wisdom of Carlos Castaneda. The assemblage point is the anchor of man's awareness. By exploring and shifting this anchor, you can ground your awareness in new, uncharted, and transformative realms. We invite you to join us on this awe-inspiring voyage, exploring the assemblage point, a key concept in Carlos Castaneda's philosophy. If you found this video enlightening, please like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content on personal growth and the mysteries of human consciousness.